Hi, IB. Welcome to fourth quarter. I didn't think I was going to be teaching online, and you didn't think you'd be learning online, but here we are. So, for the fourth quarter, we are going to be starting our epidemiology and history of public health lessons. I'll be starting that. I'll be posting some articles that you guys have to read. I'm also going to be doing some Zoom meetings, so we'll do lessons on that, and we'll record the lessons. So those of you guys who can't make the meeting can watch those. But every quarter you have a big project from me. You had the IA, you had a paper from me, you had the IA, the comparative paper, the interview. This quarter we're doing a group project. We're doing a group project for a couple of reasons. First, I want to try to increase the participation online. Participation hasn't been very good so far, and it's a problem with a lot of the teachers are complaining about this. So we want to try to increase the participation. And the second is the very real possibility that some of us will be getting sick. And if we get sick, you're going to have teammates that are going to be able to help you out if you or your family members are getting sick. So, how are the group projects going to work? Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be posting discussions, and as you respond to the discussions, the earlier that your group members respond, the more points they're going to get. Also, the earlier that your group members post, the more points you get, and the earlier that your group members respond, the more points you get. Also, discussions are going to close after just a couple of days. They're not going to be open for a full week like they were before. Uh, I'm also going to be posting different assignments. You guys are going to be able to choose your assignments, so you can choose to do a bunch of smaller assignments, or you could choose to do just a couple of bigger assignments. You can divide them however you want. The first person does assignments number A, B, and C. The second person does assignments D, E, and F. Uh, However you want to divide it, that's up to you. And you are not going to have to do all of them. You're going to make the choices of what you want. Um, it's a 200 point assignment, and so you need to get to 200 points however you're going to get to it. And I'll be posting a whole bunch of them over the next couple of days. I want to have 200 points worth of stuff posted by the beginning of next week, probably. Um, that way, you guys can just finish off the quarter if you want. Um, because this is a competition, what we'll do is I think we're going to have a final test, but the top two groups are exempt from the test. They'll get automatic A's on the test. Um, so I think that'll be good. That'll be good. Everyone else will have to take a test at the end of the quarter. Um, I think that's about everything. I think that's everything for now. For this first assignment, what you have to do is you have to make sure that all of the members of your team have finished their two essays that they were supposed to have done before spring break. On this discussion, I've highlighted in green everybody who's done both of them. And when your team is fully green, then you're going to get the 20 points for this assignment. And that'll, of course, affect your grade in addition to having your assignments in. Um, I think we already have one team that has it already, and so they're already in the lead. They're already in the lead in getting themselves exempt from this final. All right. I will post another one later with an article that we can read and have some discussions on. And we'll be doing a Zoom meeting probably tomorrow or Wednesday. I'll post when we have times on that. All right. I hope you guys are staying safe and don't touch each other.